May bago na naman sa Yabu. Kung gusto mo yung katsu sa katsudon mo ay crispy pa rin at hindi pa soak sa sauce, for sure magugustuhan mo to. Hey Jorelskis! The crispy katsudon is now available on all branches of Yabu. But if you want classic katsudon, meron pa rin sila nun. Pero bago natin itry, let's start first with one of my personal favorites, the mozzarella sticks na super crispy at grabe, sobrang cheesy. So ito na nga yung bagong crispy katsudon that all comes with the usual unlimited sides such as the miso soup and cabbage that has the sesame dressing on the table, but I highly recommend to request the wasabi dressing. Personal favorite ko talaga to. Wala siya sa table, kailangan mo lang i-request sa server. Unlimited din yung fruits at pwede ka ring mag-request ng hot or cold tea, free of charge din yan. And so what I had was the crispy rosu katsudon na may thick cuts of pork loin topped on that fluffy egg, then drizzled with that rich donburi sauce. Love that the katsu is still crispy and I love to pair it with that fluffy tamago. Okay din to add the tonkatsu sauce for added umami. Available din pala to if you want hire or pork tenderloin. Pwede rin namang chicken na enjoy ko rin to. Or the prawn and cream dory na bagay din dun sa sauce at goods na rin ang serving. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Punta na sa Yabu. Promise, this one is good. Cheers!